Why might somebody want to invest in a residential generator? There's record outages. We have historical storms as of late in the past 10 years or so. This is the largest population of retirees, aging infrastructure. There could be specific health needs that require backup power always. A homeowner would want to consider what exactly their needs are. If it is like a life safety, of course, that would be a priority to be powered even during an outage. If they just want to live as if nothing has happened, so absolutely everything in their home is powered, or if they just want to have the bare minimums, things like heat and pump stations maybe for septic, or refrigeration, things of that nature.
We have one point of contact for installation. It's just one person.
And I think that's very important to have that open line for the customer where they can feel like, all right, great, I'm not going to talk to a recording. I'm going to get a human being and I'm going to get a resolution.
I like to build, a strong rapport with my customers and have it be like a team environment between us and them as opposed to providing them a service.
We approach every sales call as if it was our own home and really evaluate the needs of the customer.
That philosophy, we were able to treat every customer as our biggest customer.
A lot of customers are depending on us for critical situations, and to know that we're able to be there, support our mission of allowing our customers to live their lives uninterrupted. That's really important to me.
We stand apart from our competitors because we have tenured staff here. We have veteran technicians, operation support that have been here 20 plus years. They've been in this for a long time and they know our customers inside and out.
We're always willing to give our best effort. We're always trying to solve those unique solutions, those problems that people feel like they can't find a solution for.
Our post-installation generator services include scheduled preventative maintenance, emergency and scheduled repairs, fuel analysis and polishing.
So there is remote monitoring that we sell to customers. It's on their cell phone so that they can see when the generator is exercising, when they've lost power, when it's come back on. We have 24 hours, 7-day-a-week service, so if it's the middle of the night and your generator's not working, a generator technician will be dispatched to your house.
FM Generator is a premier provider of preventative maintenance and repair services to standby generators and automatic transfer switches throughout the Northeast, powering families and businesses since 1970.